We're at Orchard House, we're installing 10 chargers outside and we're just doing the fuse board end of it today. The installation is almost complete. This is one of the smoothest projects we've had because we've worked alongside all the other tradies here as well. So they've helped us out in places and we've helped them out in places. So yeah, it's been a good job. The client's had 10 chargers installed for the 10 flats that he's building. He's also installed solar panels. All of the chargers will be able to be used on free energy as opposed to drawing power from the grid. We're installing EASEEs on this site. EASEEs are quite good chargers. They're easy to install, easy to set up, and also a good feature about the EASEEs is that you can daisy chain them. So you haven't got to run a separate feed for every charger that you need to. So say for example, the customer wanted an extra 5 chargers, he could daisy chain off the ones that he's already got, save running back to the fuse board every time he wants to add something. I believe there are a few grants going at the moment for car chargers. So say for example, if you're buying a car, that company will pay a certain amount, so X amount towards the car charger, which does save you a lot of money. If you are having it at a property that you own as well, that will add value to your property without having to pay the full amount. Say for example, at a property like this, where there's going to be multiple tenants, it gives people the options to have the electric cars, even though they might not have them yet. At new builds, it's like compulsory now for people for them to install car chargers. So the way things are going, all cars are going to be electric. Touch wood by 2030 when they stop the production of diesel and petrol engines. And from that point onwards, it's going to be the same as having like a petrol station at your house, pretty much. Having the convenience of being able to charge at home for cheaper than petrol and the convenience of not having to go out and do it.